Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best PS5 controller trigger is probably one of the most important components for immersive gaming, significantly impacting your precision and control in various game genres, from racing and flight simulators demanding hair trigger responsiveness to action games where split-second reactions determine victory or defeat. Therefore, choosing the right trigger can elevate your gaming experience to a new level of precision and responsiveness, making even the most challenging games feel more intuitive and rewarding. Number 5. eXtremeRate PS5 Clicky Trigger Kit. Upgrade your PS5 controller's responsiveness with this easy-to-install kit. It significantly reduces trigger travel distance for faster gameplay. This kit shortens the trigger pull to just 3 mm, giving you a competitive edge in your favorite games. Experience the difference. Important, it only works with PS5 controllers BDM-010 and BDM-020. Please check your controller model before purchasing. Follow our simple video guide for step-by-step instructions. You'll have it installed in no time. The kit comes with everything you need: a custom flex cable, built-in buttons, screwdrivers, and spare screws. Get ready to enhance your gaming experience. It's always full speed in racing games. For shooting games, consider turning off the trigger intensity function to avoid resistance. What we like. It offers satisfying clicky feedback and significantly reduces trigger travel distance. If you prioritize speed and responsiveness in your shooting games, and want an easy installation, this is the one for you. This is perfect for competitive gamers who need that extra edge in fast-paced games. What people say. The video walkthrough is easy to follow, the buttons fit well and respond like they should. Great mods for the price, and I think they perform great for shooting games. You should be fine to install these as a beginner. No soldering necessary. The installation process is straightforward, and it enhances gameplay for competitive players. The responsiveness is excellent, providing quicker inputs and a noticeable edge in fast-paced games. Number 4. PlayVital Blade 2 PS5 Triggers. Experience enhanced gaming comfort and control with these custom-designed trigger extenders. They're perfect for all PS5 controllers, including the Edge and Portal Remote Player. These extenders make hitting shoulder buttons easier than ever. Enjoy improved responsiveness and accuracy in your games. Ideal for players with larger hands, they provide a more ergonomic grip and reduce hand fatigue, even during extended play sessions. The package includes 2 pairs of extenders with varying thicknesses and lengths for L1 R1 and L2 R2 buttons. Find the perfect fit for your needs. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach them using the included adhesive stickers. They're secure and won't fall off during gameplay. Check out our installation video on YouTube for a step-by-step guide. PlayVital Blade 2 triggers transform your gaming experience. Get yours today and feel the difference. What we like. This provides extended reach for more comfortable gameplay, especially beneficial for those with larger hands. If you are looking for enhanced comfort and better ergonomics during long gaming sessions, this is a great choice. It's ideal for players who value comfort and want to reduce hand strain. What people say. They were great, different feeling that your fingers did not slip. These have stuck on since 2023 and still strong. Either length works for me and I do not have to worry about the super short end stabbing me anymore. This product is very easy to install. They stick very well. It only came off once when I had sat on my whole controller and they instantly reconnected and have yet to fall off again. Number 3. MMOBIEL PS5 Trigger Springs. Upgrade your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller with these high-quality trigger springs. They're made from durable stainless steel to withstand intense gaming sessions. These specially designed springs provide optimal resistance and a snappy return. Experience faster trigger response times for a competitive edge. Feel the difference. It's designed to give you that extra speed you need to dominate your opponents. The unique spring shape ensures just the right amount of resistance for perfect control and responsiveness. This set includes 2 replacement trigger springs, 1 for each trigger, and a precision screwdriver for easy installation. They are specifically designed for the PlayStation 5 DualSense controller, model number CFI ZCT1W. Enjoy a seamless upgrade. MMOBIEL is committed to providing high-quality products and exceeding customer expectations. Experience the difference today. What we like. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these springs ensure rapid trigger return for faster gameplay. If you need durable and responsive replacement springs for your controller, and want a simple installation, this is a great option. This is perfect for players who want to improve their reaction time and overall performance. What people say. Replace the spring for the R2 button and it is as strong as the OEM spring. Feels exactly the same as the original. Replacement springs feel like the original. Number 2. Hotop PS5 Trigger Springs. These replacement springs are perfect for your PS5 controller. They're made of durable stainless steel and come in a convenient storage box. Get 30 high-quality springs in one pack. That's enough for multiple repairs, ensuring you're always ready to play. These springs are made from sturdy stainless steel, resistant to corrosion and bending. They're built to withstand extended use. They're designed to be a simple and effective replacement for worn-out or damaged springs. Get your controller back in top shape quickly. A handy storage box keeps your springs organized and protected. This makes it easy to find them when you need them. Don't let a broken spring ruin your gaming experience. These replacement springs are the perfect solution. What we like. This offers a large quantity of replacement springs at a great value, with a convenient storage box. If you need a cost-effective solution with many replacement springs and want a convenient storage solution, this is the best choice. This is perfect for those who frequently replace their springs or need spares on hand. What people say. Replaced both and works better than before. Just replaced them for my PS5 and couldn't tell they weren't OEM. Replacement spring tension feels just like the original. Number 1. LICHIFIT PS5 Controller Springs. These replacement springs are made of high-quality metal for long-lasting durability. They're perfect for fixing your worn-out or broken L2 and R2 triggers. It is anti-rust and wear-resistant, ensuring a smooth and responsive gaming experience. They're built to withstand even the most intense gaming sessions. These springs are designed to seamlessly integrate with your PS5 controller. Installation is quick and easy, getting you back in the game in no time. They're a perfect match for your PS5 controller, providing an excellent feel and responsiveness. Experience enhanced accuracy and control. It's the ideal solution for replacing lost or damaged springs. Get back to enjoying your favorite games with renewed precision and comfort. These springs are brand new and come in a set of 10. They're ready to breathe new life into your PS5 controller. What we like. These springs are made from high-quality metal, offering excellent durability and a perfect fit for your PS5 controller. If you need a reliable replacement for worn-out springs, and want an easy installation, this is a great option. This is perfect for those seeking a simple, yet effective, upgrade for their controller. What people say. These springs, although tiny as heck, are much stronger than the original. They fit perfectly. Works great and feels better than the secondary controller I have. So far so good. It's easy to replace and this fits as it should. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.